Dumpster rental service in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. Reliable waste management is critical to maintaining a clean, organized business space. For business owners needing dumpster rental service in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, Wicked Waste Incorporated offers a hassle-free solution. Whether managing a construction site, overseeing a major renovation, or simply needing regular waste disposal for your business, Wicked Waste Incorporated is your go-to provider. Wicked Waste Incorporated is committed to environmentally responsible disposal methods, ensuring that your business remains compliant with local regulations while contributing to sustainability efforts. The company offers a range of dumpster sizes to accommodate all types of projects, from small cleanouts to large commercial operations. It prioritizes efficiency, ensuring fast delivery and pickup to keep your operations running smoothly without interruptions. Wicked Waste Incorporated's dedication to exceptional customer service is evident in its work with business owners to understand their unique requirements and provide customized solutions. This ensures you get the best value for your investment. The company's competitive pricing and flexible rental terms mean you can manage your waste effectively without breaking the bank. If you're a business owner in Doylestown looking for a reliable partner for dumpster rental service in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, Wicked Waste Incorporated is ready to help. Call them today at 267-899-2100 to learn how their dumpster rental services can benefit your business.